Want to move your crypto from Coinbase Wallet to Crypto.com without losing your mind? Let's get started. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app and locate the crypto you want to transfer. Tap on the asset to see its details. Now, find and tap the Send button. This usually looks like an arrow pointing upwards or a paper airplane icon. Next, switch over to your Crypto.com app, navigate to your accounts and find the Deposit option. This is where you'll grab your Crypto.com receiving address. Select the exact crypto you are transferring. Crypto.com will then display your unique deposit address. Make absolutely sure this is the correct crypto network. Tap the Copy Address button. Back in Coinbase Wallet, paste the Crypto.com address you just copied into the recipient address field. Carefully double-check the address to ensure it matches the one in Crypto.com. Type in the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Review all the transaction details, especially the address and the network fees. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction in Coinbase Wallet. The time it takes for the transfer to complete will vary depending on the crypto and network congestion. After some time, your crypto will show up in your Crypto.com account. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your crypto.